Good afternoon, everyone. This is Mr. Taylor. Come to do a read along with you guys today. And the book I chose to read was about sharks. Alright, so in this read along, it's called A Day in the Life of Sea Animals, Sharks. Wait a minute. Is this book fiction or nonfiction? Let's think about that. We know that fiction books are made up like make believe. But we know nonfiction books are about real people, places, or things. So I think this book will be a nonfiction book. Okay, let's check it out. A Day in the Life of Sea Animals, Sharks, by Louise Spielberry. This is a nonfiction book. One thing we notice about nonfiction books, it has different parts. So in this book, we have a table of contents, and it looks like we got chapters, we have a glossary, we have an index, and we also have an appendix. Okay, let's get into this book. Alright, what is a shark? A shark is a type of fish that lives in the oceans all over the world. There are many different types of shark. Great white sharks live in warmer waters near land. They hunt and kill other animals to eat. These sharks kill and hunt other animals to eat. What would that be called? Oh, right, a predator. So sharks are predators. Okay. What do sharks look like? Great white sharks have a gray back with a white stomach. They have long pointed noses, many sharp teeth, and large black eyes. A great white shark's body is long and pointed at both ends. It has a triangular dorsal fin on its back and fins on its side. Wait a minute. Let's stop there. What have you guys learned so far about sharks? Let's take a second to think about that. Okay. Now that page was talking about sharks and their dorsal fin. Does anyone know what a dorsal fin is? A dorsal fin is that large fin on the back of a shark that pops up out of the water when the sharks get near the surface. That dorsal fin is very important. It actually helps the sharks stay upright in the water. Okay, let's get back to our story. All right. What do sharks do all day? The great white shark spends all day swimming. The dorsal fin and part of its tail show when they swim near the surfaces. Many sharks hunt at night, but great white sharks mostly hunt in the daytime. Great white sharks swim around and stay on the lookout for food. A shark moves its tail from side to side to move forward. The side fins help the shark to steer, so sort of like an airplane. When a shark swims along, water goes into his mouth and moves over his gills. The gills take air from the water so that the shark can breathe. If you guys can see that there, those little slits that's on the side of his mouth, those are its gills. So that is how a shark breathes in the water, underwater. Sharks catch and eat other large animals, such as dolphins and sea lions. They also eat smaller animals as well, such as turtles, crabs, and fish. A great white shark has many triangular teeth and rows in its mouth. The teeth are sharp with jagged edges to slice through bone and meat. Oh my God, let's stop there. I want you guys to see the picture of his shark's teeth. Whoa. They look ferocious. Alright, let's stop here for a moment. Let's think about some things. Alright. So, what have you learned at this point of the story? Okay, we learned that sharks are predators. I learned that they have a dorsal fin on the top of their backs so that it helps them keep upright in the water. And and I learned that their teeth are really, really sharp and jagged. That's three good things, right? Okay. Another question. What animals do you think are predators? That's a really good question. Let's think about that. Other animals that are predators. Oh, I know, a lion. Oh, a tiger. Yeah, because they eat meat. Hmm. Some dinosaur in the past. Yeah, dinosaurs were also predators. Another question. What is something that you know that we haven't read in the book so far about sharks? Let's think about that. Hmm. Oh, sharks have babies. That's something I know. Okay, let's continue on. How do sharks catch food? In the day, great white sharks look for animals that swim to the surface. They swim up fast and catch the animals from below. The great white shark also uses its smell to eat animals. They can smell a drop of blood from a hurt animal from far away. Oh, fun fact. Sharks can smell a drop of blood in the water from a quarter mile away. That's equal to like 4 football fields. That's really, really far. How do sharks hide? In the daytime, animals cannot see a great white shark below them. Its gray back looks the same as the darkness below. Wow, that's really cool. So it's kind of like camouflaging itself. Animals swimming below the great white shark cannot see above them because the shark's white stomach looks the same as the sky above. Wow, that is really cool. What are sharks' babies like? Shark babies look just like their parents, only smaller. A baby great white shark grows from eggs inside the mother's body, and a baby shark is called a pup. Shark pups leave their mothers as soon as they are born. Wow, they don't stick around at all. I want you guys to take a look at this great white shark baby. Isn't that cool? Huh. I just thought about something. A baby shark is called a pup. That's so funny. A baby dog is called a pup too. That's pretty cool. What do sharks do at night? Great white sharks sometimes hunt at night using a special extra sense. The shark's nose can tell where an animal is moving even if it's far away. Nobody knows if the great white sharks sleep or not. Some people think that sharks can sleep and swim at the same time. That'd be pretty cool if you can sleep and swim at the same time. Alright, so now we've made it to our shark body map. So, on the top, if you look at the map, on the top is the dorsal fin. On the sides are the side fins. Looks like in the front of their mouth are their sharp teeth. And then at the rear, their tail fin, which helps them move through the water. And also, let's not forget their gill slits that are on the side of the body, near the mouth. We have our glossary. To breathe means to take air into the body. The dorsal fin is the thin, flat part that sticks up from the shark's back. The dorsal fin helps the sharks to keep upright when they're in the water. The gills, the part of the animal's bodies that take air from the water so that the animal can breathe underwater. A pup, remember a pup is a baby shark. Sense, power that animals use to find out about the world around them, such as sight and hearing. We also have senses. We have 5 of them, right? Surface, we know what a surface is, right? Surface is the top of the water. Alright, so we can find out more. There are plenty of books about sharks. 2 of the books that this book talks about or references are Sharks by Sandra Markel and Great White Sharks by Deborah Nuzzolo. One of the websites that you can actually visit to learn more about sharks is kids.nationalgeographic.com, and you can also find information, puzzles, and also more links about sharks at www.montereybayaquarium.org. All right, and last but not least, we talk about our index. Now, our index is used to find parts of the story or parts of the shark that we actually want to read about in the story. So in this index, they got, parts about the baby, breathing, camouflage, feeding, their fins, their gills, hunting, movement, pups, and more. Thank you guys for joining me today. What you guys think about that shark book? Drop a comment and let me know. Thank you for attending our class. Goodbye.